Coral reefs are the world's most biodiverse ecosystems. They cover less than 1% of Earth's surface, yet sustain 25% of all marine life. They directly provide food, flood protection, and economic opportunity to 500 million people.
However, by 2050, 90% of coral reefs will be completely destroyed. As passionate scuba divers ourselves, we personally experienced the devastating effects of coral degradation. We hope to apply technology to address the issue. If we don't act now, then we may never get a second chance.
Coral reefs actually produce popping sounds, and we've developed an AI that can assess their health using these sounds. Our method achieves an industry-leading 99% accuracy and is 60% cheaper and 5 times more efficient than current market alternatives.
We have 2 hardware products. The first is ReefBox. Place it by a coral reef, and after recording the coral, it will update the ReefSound app with the coral health analysis using our AI. The second is the ReefSound ROV, which autonomously navigates coral reefs and collects the sound samples it needs to produce a heat map of coral health.
Our achievements have been published in 8 leading Chinese news outlets with over 1.3 billion collective readers. After 1 year, ReefSound's products could help save 380 square kilometers of coral reefs.